Hey everybody! Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another RV tour. Heidi here out of RV Roadway of Calera and Opelika, Alabama. Today, me and you are going to be going over the new 2024 Sunset Park SunRay 139T. The T in that model number stands for toy hauler. If you just so happen to be in the market for a toy hauler and you're looking for something that's not 25 to 30 to 35 to 40 foot long, and you have an SUV, and you also don't need to sleep 10 people at a time, the 139T is a great contender on your list of RVs to look at. So this right here is perfect for dirt bikes, motorcycles, bicycles, and other things along those lines. So what do you say we dive deep on into this toy hauler? Let's see what makes it unique. Let's go. So the 139T is coming in around 15 foot, 2 inches, right at 1,980 pounds. It sleeps 2, and it has all the conveniences that you're gonna need to get you through them camping days. So up front, you have a powdered steel chassis, powder coated steel chassis, okay? You have a rock guard plate right here. Your spare tire is directly underneath this rack, which, speaking of the rack, you can put a generator right here to help you get through the days and the evenings, coolers, etc., whatever, you name it. You have your propane bottle. It is housed right here, and you have a manual tongue jack as well. Coming on down the campsite, you have manual stabilizers on all 4 corners. This is not to lift the RV or to jack it up so you can change your spare tire. This is to level the RV. You have a solid step right here. So with the confidence package, which is what our 139T has, you're going to have the 6-inch lift with the off-road tires and the black rims, so you can see that here. You have a nice outdoor kitchen with an Everchill oversized outdoor mini refrigerator. You have a sink. You have a 2-burner cooktop with a GFCI outlet. You have the refrigerator switch right here, and you have some storage. Now, having an outside sink really does do the trick because you also have a sink on the interior as well. You do have some outlets right here on the exterior if you were wanting to plug up a TV for outdoor maybe. And you also do have a quick LP connect right here in the rear if you wanted to add an additional grill. This little shebang right here is going to be a manual awning, so it does come with an awning, just going to be manual. And coming on around the rear, you have a 30 amp electrical service unit right here. You have a gas water heater. You have your fresh water connection with your city water connection, and it is also prepped for a backup camera. It does not come with it, but it is prepped if that is something you are interested in. Coming around on your non-camp side, you have your sewer outlet connection right here at the very bottom. You have your furnace vent right here. This is Dometic, I think it's, yeah, your Dometic vent. You have a outside shower. So what do you say we go check out the inside? Let's see what the inside has to offer. Tapping on the inside, so this has got the classic interior, which is like a touch of old school for those of you who enjoy that. If you do not like this interior, do not worry because we do have them and a few other interiors, which I'll show you in just a second, because we do have other 139s here, like this black and gray one. And this one right here is the gray and blue one. So if you don't like that color scheme, we do have white, we have gray, and so we can, that was rude. So we do have another interior as well, which is going to be this color right here. But going back to the other unit that we are doing, in here you get your own private bathroom, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about always having a bathroom nearby. You will have one in this 139T. So there is that interior sink I was telling you about a little bit ago. You do have a good bit of countertop space right here with some good storage. You have your high point microwave with a lid tool. fire extinguisher. Right in here is your private toilet. And let's say you needed some extra closet space. You do have a removable rod right up here to hang some shirts, suits, riding outfits, whatever it is you might need. Coming on around, this does have the Happy Jack system. So you have a queen bed, fuller queen bed right here with a bunk as well on that Happy Jack system. And to control it, go down or up like this. That is up to you. Here's your Dometic AC, which is right over there in that corner. This does have a solar charge controller because it does have a solar panel on the roof, which is also a plus. So you got 4 tie downs right here in the floor for four-wheelers, dirt bikes, bicycles, whatever the case may be, motorcycles. You have USB outlets with an inverted outlet as well. And here is your AC right here in the corner. And then your nice ramp door. So what do you think about it? Oh, what do you think about it overall? This is once again the 2024 Sunset Park 139T, located and available at RV Roadway, and that's in Calera and Opelika as well, because we carry both of these brands here and there. It's time for you and your family to take life on the road. Let me know what you guys think. Also, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, because I am always posting new videos of all the wonderful brands and floor plans that we have here at our dealership. We are family owned and operated and would love to earn your business. And until next time, we'll see you then. Thank you so much for watching.